Good morning everyone, it's the 18th of July 2021 and I am featuring the Kawasaki Z1000 again, my 2003 model. I got a question regarding the exhaust. It is currently with a 4-into exhaust system as explained in the previous video, and it is quite different than usual. The sound is because it is without the filters. I got it this way, so when I bought it, it was already without the filters inside the Akrapovic cans. Me and my dad also straightened out the exhausts since they were a bit installed a bit twisted, as one can see in the video that I posted a few months ago. So yeah, you can see the exhausts are now perfectly straight and they look better in my opinion. So you can go back and watch the previous video and compare it to how they are now. It is now reading 12,700 kilometers, so it's quite low still, but yeah, damn, it looks good. It looks great. Yeah. I will show you also the original exhaust which I have bought a couple of months ago for this. I am not sure that I will install them, but yeah, I have at least the original exhausts in my possession, and I love the appearance of the original exhaust, but they would be smoother I guess than these, obviously. At the end of the video I am going to start this bike too, again, for you to hear it. So here I've got the original exhaust sitting here safe and sound under this small piece of cloth. They are actually in excellent condition. They just need a bit of cleaning, but they are in excellent condition. Yeah, I like the look of these on the Z1000, honestly. I was really impressed when it was issued back in 2003, when I saw it first on the road and I saw those 4 exhausts at the back. Yeah, so I am really impressed, but I love the sound of my exhaust, so I don't know if I would change it, as said already, but it's great to have the original ones. Here's of the other side. Yep, excellent. Yeah, looks very nice. Apart from some other few parts which I've got, which I already have actually, but just spares. I also got this carrier for the bike. It is to fit when the back seat is installed, and this fits right below that. It is actually made for the pillion to hold to it, but one can also attach a small bag on the seat. So that's great to have if I make up my mind to go abroad, perhaps with this bike in the future. As one can see, the grille installed on my Z1000 is not the original one. This has been changed to a nicer one, and even the petrol tap here. So I have the original ones here. That's the grille, and I have the original tap which is lockable, because this one cannot be locked. And I also have the original rear lights there in that back, because this was changed to a blackened one. Yep. Super. Now let's start it.